Hi, this is Christine for Trinity Stamps with a product close-up of our Friends Are Flowers stamp and die. This is from our Greatest Friend on Earth release, and it's again one of our beautiful and adorable gnomes. He's behind a bunch of flowers, and the sentiment says, "Friends are the flowers that make life beautiful." There's also a sweet little butterfly, and the die set consists of 3 dies to cut each of these out very accurately. So here I'm just going to use the adorable gnome that I've die cut and colored along with the sentiment and the butterfly with the new Slimline Burst Builder die set that will also be released on the same day and as part of our Greatest Friend on Earth release. And just finishing off the card. And by the way, this stamp set is a 4x6 stamp set. And there's the finished card. Here's another close-up of it. Here's a close-up of a card that Jenny Hall made with the same stamp and die. And here's one that Carrie Rhodes made with also a slimline version. Thank you so much for stopping by. We hope you enjoyed this product close-up, and we can't wait to see what you make with it. Have a great day!